Hey guys, it's Mr. Gravo. We are doing fourth grade Go Math, Chapter 5, and we're going to be taking a look at the mid chapter checkpoint. And it's 16 questions, so let's just get into it. All right. The first couple of questions focus on vocabulary, and this one is a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product is called a. Um, so in this problem, it's multiplied by another number to find a product. And we know that in a multiplication equation, we got a couple of things going on here. So 3 times 2, 6 is the product. And a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product are called factors. All right. Let's go on to the next question. I'm going to try to go through these 16 questions as quick as possible. So if you need to, pause and rewind. A number is blank by another number if the quotient is a counting number and the remainder is 0. This is kind of tricky because we see the word number 3 times here. Let's go ahead and take a look here. A number is blank by another number if the quotient is a counting number and the remainder is 0. It's divisible. A number is divisible by another number if the quotient is a counting number and the remainder is 0. So all this is saying is that when you divide one number by another number, you get the quotient, right, the answer to a division problem, and there's nothing left over. So it's divisible. Question 3, list all the factors from least to greatest for this number 8. All right, so this is how we start off. And remember, every single number always has 1 and then the number itself in common, right? So now how many 2's fit into 8? Well, 2 times 4 fit into 8. How about 3? Does 3 fit into 8? 3, 6, 9. No, so we're all done. And you'll notice that I wrote my numbers kind of spaced out, and that's okay. You do need to make sure that you are entering your factors from least to greatest. Here's another problem. Let's all the factors from least to greatest for 77. All right. We know we can always start off with 1. Can always start off with 77. Now let's see if 2 fits into 77. And you're like, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It's not going to hit it, is it? It's not. How about 3? Let's see if 3 can fit into 77. How many 3's fit into 7 tens? Well, 2, right? Minus 6, 1, 17. Can 3 fit into 17? No, it can't. So it's not 3. How about 4? Can 4 fit into 77? 1, 37. Can 4 fit into 37? Well, 4 times 9 is 36. So no. How about 5? Is 5 a factor of 77? No, because it in the ones place it needs to be a 0 or 5. How about 6? 6 times, let's see, can 6 fit into 77? Can 6 fit into 7? Yep, 1 time, take away 6, 1. Can 6 fit into 17? Nope. Let's try 7. Well, 7 times 11 equals 77. Oh, so it would be, our factors would be 7 and then 11. All right, so let's go ahead and put them in. 1, 7, 11, and 77. Is 8 a factor for the number? Select yes or no. Is 8 a factor of 81? Can I divide 81 divided by 8 and get a number without a remainder? Well, how many 8's fit into 81? 10 with a remainder of 1. Since I have this remainder, it's not a factor. No. Number 6, is 6 a factor for the number? Does 6 go into 26 evenly? Well, no, it doesn't, because I have 2 remaining. So this remainder means it's not a factor. It doesn't go into it equally. No. Is 8 a factor of 88? Yes, because 8 times 11 is 88. How about, is 7 a factor of 47? 7 times 10 is 70, so no. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. Sometimes 8 is 56. I'm not finding the product of 47, so no. So in this problem, you need to list all of the factor pairs in the table for 88. So what I can do is each one of these is going to be equal to 88, right? 1 times what equals 88? Well, 1 times 88. 1 times 88. 2 times, I just cut it in half, because it's the 2, right? 4 times what goes into 88? It's not super easy for us to do in our heads, so let's just divide it out. How many 4s fit into 8 tens? 2 tens. Let's subtract 80. Bring down the 8. How many 4s fit into 8? 2. And I don't have anything left over, no remainder, so it would be 4 times 22 equals 88. Factor pair is 4 and 22. And 8 times 11 equals 88. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors of 88. Number 10, same type of problem. You'll notice that they've already put in the equal signs here. So 1 times what equals 50? 1 times 50 is 50. 2 times 25 is 50. And then 5 times 10 is 50. Number 11 says common factors for 9 and 18. So I need to find my factors, the numbers that when I multiply them will make 9, and the numbers that when I multiply them will equal 18. So of course we got 1 and 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, how about 3? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. So those are my factors of 9. The factors of 18. 1 and 18, of course, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 2 times 9. 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 5 is 20, so no. 4 times 4 is 16 is no. How about 5? No. So I'm done here. Now it wants to know the common factors. So we have 1 in common, we have 3 in common, and then we have 9 in common. So the common factors for 9 and 18 are 1, 3, and 9. Common factors for 20 and 30, so we got to do the same thing here, right? 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. For 30, the common factors are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, and 5 and 6. So my common factors, least to greatest, 1, 2, 5, 10. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video right now, and we'll pick it up on question 13.